What is talking about Chat GPT these days? What is it? Basically, you can chat with a computer, it's based on AI, and you can keep talking, and there would be an answer. So let's quickly learn a few things today. For instance, Python or Matlab. Using if you go to this link, you'll actually see this Chat GPT. Which is as simple as that. In Matlab, say okay, in Matlab, what's sine wave? Isn't it amazing? It's basically telling you how to do it. So this is not running it. It's just telling you how it works. So what we can do is copy this code and then go, for instance, if you have Matlab, if not online, it's Octave, you can actually go there. Just put it here and that's it. Did you see that? Now let's try this. This is in Matlab. So if you have Matlab online, you can actually try it as well. So imagine, can you do this in Python? So you have another way of doing it as well. So let's do it in Python. So in Python, it uses Matplot. There are other libraries you can use. So you can see it's importing Matplots as a PLT and the line space, similar to what's happening here in Matlab. And then the plotting is very simple. I copy this one, right? You can actually make all these changes and it shows you another way of doing it. And then in order to show you how it works in Python, so I'll go to Google Colab, put it here, copy and paste here, run it. And that's it. You enjoy it. If you like it, I can do more of these type of things.